Suzuki launched at EICMA 2022 the new 2023 GSX-8S, its 800 cubic centimeters two-cylinder, naked motorcycle, which arrives with super modern street fighter design and performance tailored to a new generation of riders. Completely made from scratch, the engine that equips the new motorcycle has two parallel cylinders and 776 cubic centimeters with liquid cooling, and is capable of generating up to 61 kilowatts 82.9 horsepower of maximum power at 8,500 RPM, and 78 Newton-meters, 7.9 kgfm, of torque at 6,800 RPM. According to the company, this engine suppresses vibration to contribute to smooth operation and a compact, lightweight engine design, adopting the Suzuki Cross Balancer, the first of its kind on a production motorcycle to position its two balancers at 90 degrees in relation to the crankshaft. In addition, the GSX-8S was developed with the aim of offering riders of all ages and skill levels limitless possibilities to enjoy all types of riding. For this, it has a complete technology package, which brings the SDMS, Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, with 3 riding modes, traction control system also with 3-mode selection and bidirectional quickshift system that allows you to shift up and down without operating the clutch lever or throttle. In terms of design, the GSX-8S features an extremely aggressive and modern design based on the super-naked GSX-S1000, with LED headlights with vertically stacked projectors, tank fairing that extends to the side of the headlight, short tail and minimalist exhaust system. Finally, the model has full LED lighting, color TFT digital panel, aluminum alloy wheels, ABS brakes, and sports tires, measuring 120/70-17 at the front and 180/55-17 at the rear. The 2023 Suzuki GSX-8S hit stores in Europe from March 2023 in 3 color options: glass sparkled black/metallic matte black No. 2, KGL, pearl tech white, QU2, and glass sparkled black/metallic matte black No. 2, KGL. Prices have not yet been announced.